It's a new 2018 Ford Fusion. Step up and stand out in this innovative sedan that ramps up the driving fun. Features include streaming audio, wireless phone connectivity, manual tilting steering column, configurable instrument gauges, push-button start, manual telescoping steering column, turbo inline 4-cylinder engine, aluminum wheels, gas pressurized shocks, and external memory control. Edmunds.com finds its light steering yields ample feedback and the whole package changes direction with remarkable ease. Ford, where tradition meets innovation. They say a journey begins with one step. In this case, it begins with a test drive. Start your next adventure today.
At Academy Ford, we work passionately to make you feel at home from the moment you walk into our dealership. We're located at 13401 Baltimore Avenue in Laurel, Maryland.